The use of data analytics in social media strategy. Title: The use of data analytics in social media strategy. Introduction. In today's digital landscape, social media platforms have become powerful tools for individuals and businesses alike to connect, communicate, and engage with their target audience. With billions of users sharing an astounding amount of information every day, harnessing the potential of social media platforms is crucial for any business looking to make an impact. One key element that can significantly enhance a social media strategy is the use of data analytics. In this article, we will explore the importance of data analytics in social media strategy and how it can provide valuable insights for effective decision-making. Understanding data analytics in social media. Data analytics is the practice of examining vast sets of data to uncover patterns, trends, and meaningful insights. In the context of social media, data analytics involves collecting and analyzing data from social media platforms to gain a deeper understanding of user behavior, preferences, and sentiments. By leveraging data analytics, businesses can make informed decisions, optimize content strategy, and measure the success of their social media efforts. Driving decision-making. Data analytics in social media strategy is not just about gathering information, it also plays a crucial role in driving decision-making. By collecting and analyzing data, businesses can gain insights into their target audience's demographics, interests, and preferences. Armed with this knowledge, organizations can tailor their content strategy, messaging, and engagement tactics to better resonate with their audience. For instance, by analyzing data on user interactions, businesses can identify which types of content, be it images, videos, or articles, drive the most engagement. They can also determine the most effective posting times and frequency that align with their audience's online behavior. These insights allow businesses to allocate resources strategically, ensuring that efforts are focused where they will yield the best return on investment. Optimizing content strategy. One of the greatest advantages of data analytics in social media strategy lies in its ability to optimize content strategy. Social media platforms are flooded with an overwhelming amount of content, making it essential for businesses to stand out. Through data analytics, businesses can identify which types of content perform best on different platforms and tailor their strategy accordingly. By analyzing data on audience engagement, businesses can determine the topics, themes, and formats that resonate most with their target audience. Measuring success. Data analytics also plays a critical role in measuring the success of social media efforts. By tracking and analyzing key performance metrics, businesses can determine the effectiveness of their social media campaigns and strategies. This information is invaluable for making data-driven decisions to refine and improve social media initiatives. Some essential metrics to monitor include: 1. Reach, the total number of unique users who have seen a specific social media post or campaign. 2. Engagement, the number of likes, comments, shares, and other interactions on a post. 3. Click-through rate, CTR, the ratio of users who click on a specific link to the total number of users who see it. 4. Conversion rate, the percentage of users who complete a desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. 5. Return on investment, ROI, the ratio of the net profit gained from a campaign to the cost of the campaign. By regularly tracking these metrics, businesses can gauge the impact and success of their social media efforts. This data-driven approach allows for continuous improvement, enabling businesses to optimize their strategy, refine their messaging, and strengthen their overall social media presence. Title: The use of data analytics in social